Simplify. There are two terms here. The first one is expand. Expand simply means remove brackets or parentheses. So when you see the word expand in mathematics, it simply means you remove the brackets or what we call the parentheses. Now, simplify will always mean in algebraic terms that you collect like terms. Collect like terms and either add or subtract them by using what? The signs of operation, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, based on what is available. So when I am going to start simplifying this, I have two brackets. So we first of all start by expanding. That means we remove the bracket. 3x minus 2y into bracket. The other bracket has 2a minus b. Now, how do we expand? Because we start by expanding first, removing the brackets. So I will use this first value, the first coefficient and variable, and I multiply by everything in the second bracket. This is my first bracket. And then this is our second bracket. So I use 3x by saying 3x into bracket 2a minus b. Open and close the bracket. Then the second bracket, again, I will multiply it by everything by minus 2y into bracket 2a minus b. So once I'm done finding the product of what is outside the parenthesis by everything inside the bracket, then I'll have removed the bracket. So I say 3x times 2a, 3 times 2 is 6. I only multiply the coefficients, then I write there the variables. A, x, minus 3 times minus b, 3x times minus b is 3xb. 3xb. We move to the second bracket. 2 times 2 is minus 4ay. Then minus 2y times minus b. Negative is positive 2by. And since they want us to expand, so we've already expanded. Simplifying will simply mean maybe we write them as per the variables. Here I have 6ax minus 3bx, then minus 4ay plus 2by. Now, I have already expanded by removing the brackets. Now, to simplify will simply mean I have to go back from here and get the original answer, this one. How do I do that? Then I have to factorize out again by using what? By using the common factors. So, if you are to simplify, will simply means you collect like terms together. 6ax, 3bx, 4ay, and plus 2by. Now, if you are asked to factorize the above expression, if somebody asks you to factorize, now factorization is the reverse of expansion. So when you factorize this, you must get this answer. And you can just do that as a proof to confirm that our work is correct. Can we factorize? They are already collected in terms of common variables. So 6ax minus 3bx minus 4ay plus 2by. I just want to confirm that our answer is correct. So we are proving. Now, how do we prove? Here, what is common? I'll factorize these two and I'll also factorize these two. So now I have here 3 is common. X is common. Into bracket 3 into 6 is 2a. Because x into x is 1. Minus 3 into 3 is 1. X into x is 1. 1 times b minus b. Then minus here. What is common? 2 and 4. 4 and 2. 2 is a common factor. Y is a common variable. So 2 into 4 is 2a. Negative, positive. So this negative makes this positive to be negative. Then 2 into 2, y into y minus b. What do you realize? The components in this bracket and the components in this bracket, they are the same in terms of arrangement and also location. So I will say the factorization is 3x minus 2y, and since the two brackets have the same components, then I pick one of the brackets, 2a minus b, and this becomes the solution. So the first answer was here, and this is based on the aspect of expanding. So when you expand, you stop here. But this second bit of it, I am just but trying to prove that my answer is correct. And you can see that this answer with the original answer is correct, meaning our solution here was correct. Thank you, and I hope you follow through.